Wagwan guys, you've probably seen those YouTube thumbnails shouting make $63 per hour with transcription job, make $500, no experience needed and all that, and you're wondering, is this even real? Especially now that we have AI that can actually do a lot of transcription. So let me be real with you, most of those claims are actually lies. So transcription jobs aren't what they used to be back then. Tools like Whisper and other AI technology are taking over now, and many companies are moving away from hiring human transcribers. But don't give up. There is still money to be made, just not the exact way those videos actually make it seem to you. I have checked all the major transcription platforms, Scribie, TranscribeMe, GoTranscript, and guess what? Most of them are not even hiring presently. I don't know if it's because I'm a Nigerian. Scribie is now focusing on Scribie AI. TranscribeMe's entrance exam has been closed for months and you can't even enter. And GoTranscript, they are mostly hiring non-English language like Hindu, Arabic and French, not English speakers like myself. So right now, the only one that's still open is Revcom. They have work, but they pay per audio minute, not per hour. For example, a 50-minute file may pay you just 59 cents per minute or $29.50, but it could take you over 3 hours to finish for $29. That's way below minimum wage in many countries, but it might still be worth it for some Nigerians or Africans just starting out. Then remember, you don't get this job like for every hour in the day or every day in the week. One underrated platform that is still paying well for transcription still exists, but it's very niche, and I will share that in a bit in this video. The game has actually changed completely in transcription. These days, most clients use AI to generate transcripts, then they hire people to clean the transcript up. So if you want to keep earning, you need to change your strategy. What do I mean by this? Stop searching for transcription jobs. Instead, look for things like AI transcript editor, manual transcript proofreading, subtitle or caption clean up. For example, Fiverr AI transcript editing has only a few hundred gigs. That means that lower competition for those specific job. And instead of you saying, I will transcribe your audio, say something like, I will fix your AI generated transcript in 24 hours. Professional edits for automated transcripts is something you can offer. AI isn't going anywhere, but it still needs human to clean up the mess. It doesn't do a perfect job. Like, it doesn't perfectly replicate humans. Yeah, it do a near perfect job, but then there is still the place of humans. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if this video is sounding helpful to you so far, show some love, bro. Show some love, sis. Hit the like button. Now, if transcription is your only skill or you don't really have any other skill, it is time for you to actually upgrade. Learn tools like Whisper and Transcripts. Get faster at editing and expand your skill. You can explore roles like AI content evaluator, subtitling for maybe like Hollywood films and YouTube creators, and that underrated platform I mentioned earlier. Should I say it now? Say it. Okay, that is 3Play Media. 3Play Media still pays well, but it is niched and best suited for those with strong grammar and editing skills. So if you want real tips on freelancing, online money making and other smart moves, you know where to click. Subscribe, and if you've not liked this video, please like. That is how I get value back for giving value. Thank you for doing that. I'm still waiting. Oh, you're doing that? Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.